Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, am I going to show you how to receive input from the user. So in Python, we have another built-in functions called input. We can use this to read the value from the terminal window. Let me show you input, add parentheses, add quotations. Within the quotations, we can type a message like this. What is your name? Followed by question mark and followed by some space. Okay, then we can run our program and see what we are going to get here. So we are going to get what is your name, right? Okay, now we have to enter the value and we have to type the value. Let's say Sudhakar here. Sudhakar. Okay, we are going to get this message, right? So when we can enter this function, we will return the value that we entered on the terminal window. So we can get the value and store it in variable. And so let's declare a variable called here. Let's declare a variable called name. Okay, now we want to print the greeting message here. We will use the print function now. Print, add parentheses, add double quotations. Then we want to type here hello Sudha, hello, and add some space. Then we want to add the value of the name of the variable, so we will use the plus sign here. Then we can type plus sign here. Okay, then we are going to type name as a value, right? Now what we are going to do here, actually we are going to do actually directly or indirectly concatenation. Which concatenation here going to do here? String concatenation. We can combine the strings with another string. Okay, let's run our program. Okay, see, we will get this message. And what is your name will be there now? I will going to add here Sudhakar. Okay, see, this is how we are going to get the message hello Sudhakar, right? And some peoples will have the questions here. uh, Brother, we have the questions like how you can will handle in different type of input functions like numbers, integers, and other data types will be there now. Then how you can handle those are different type of inputs like numbers. Okay, let me take one more example for your better understanding, guys. Just select and erase it here. Just I will also clear here only. Now I will take one more example for your better understanding. Input, add parenthesis, add quotations. Now you can say what is your age. Otherwise I will use enter your age. Enter your age, right? Enter your age. Then we will declare a variable for this one. Before going to declare a variable, I will use the int function here. Int, add parenthesis, and just close it. Okay, then we are going to declare a variable for this user input. Let's say age. Okay, now we want to print this statement. Print, add parenthesis, within the double quotes you are. Okay, after this one add the comma, then we can age, and after also old years, correct? Okay, I will explain this piece of code now. If the user enter the 25 age here, suppose here this is the string, right? Enter your age, this is the string, correct? if the user enter the 25 years, whenever years, I will say example here, I will show you how it is. Double quotes 25 or 25. Okay, okay, what is this? This is a string, right? This is the, whenever we are going to add text in between the double quotes, it will going to consider as a strings, right? When user will enter the 25 years age, the int function, here is the int function will be there now. The int functions convert input from the string to integer. Once again I will to repeat the sentences here. Here int function will be there now. It will, the int function convert the int from the string to integer. If the user enter the 25, it is converted into integer 25. It ensures that the age is stored as a numeric value which can be used for mathematical operations, correct? Okay, let me run our program. Just right click, run python file in terminal. Okay, enter your age. I will enter 25. Okay, just wait. This is a terminal window. 25. Okay, you are 25 years older, right? Suppose you will use, this is floating point also. If you need it guys, you can use it. Okay, okay, this is how we can use the user, or what do you call, so this is how we can use the input functions in Python. Okay, I think you people are going to understand my way of teaching. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.